In the realm of high end gaming, a lavish experience awaits those who venture into the world of luxury casinos worldwide. These opulent establishments redefine entertainment by seamlessly merging cutting edge technology with sophisticated design. Imagine step into a realm where every detail from the flickering lights to the meticulously crafted interior is a testament to extravagance. High end gaming transcends the tradition no of casinos, offering an immersive escape into a world where luxury knows no bound. One of the global hubs for high end gaming is Macau, a dazzling city known as the Monte Carlo of the East. Macau's casinos stand as architectural marvels adorned with grandeur and adorned with intricate details. The opulence is not limited to the exterior. Once inside, visitors are greeted with a symphony of sights and sounds. Massive chandeliers hang from the ceilings, castles a warm glow over the gaming floors. Plush carpets, cradles, and the footsteps of patrons, leading them to a vast array of gaming options, from classic card tables to state of the art slot machines. The allure of high end gaming extends beyond Macau, with destinations like Las Vegas and Macau playing pivotal roles in the global casino landscape. In Las Vegas, the famous strip boasts a collection of iconic casinos, each vying to outshine the other in terms of extravagance. It's a place where themed resorts transport visitors to different corners of the world, creating a surreal environment where entertainment and luxury seamlessly console. Monaco, nestled on the French Riviera, offers a sophisticated playground for the elite, with the Casino de Monte Carlo stand as a symbol of timeless elegance. High rollers frequent these establishments, seeking not just the thrill of the game but the exclusivity and prestige that come with it. VIP lounges and private gaming rooms cater to the discerning taste of these patrons, providing an intimate setting for high stakes games. Personalized service and attention to detail elevate the gaming experience, ensure that every moment is tailored to meet the expectation of the most demanding clientele. Technology play a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of high-end gaming. Cutting-edge advancements such as virtual reality and unmanaged reality add a new dimension to the traditional casino experience. Imagine donning a VR headset and being transported to a virtual casino, where the boundaries between reality and the digital realm blur. High resolution graphics and immersive soundscapes create a gaming environment that transcends the physical concentrate of a brick and mortar establishment. The culinary scene within these luxury casinos is equally impressive, with world class chefs carting gastronomic delights to tantalize the taste buds of the discerning clients. Michelin started restaurants and exclusive dining experience add a culinary dimension to the overall extravagance, ensuring that patrons can indulge in fine dining between rounds of gaming. The fusion of gourmet cuisines with the thrill of high stakes gambling creates an unparalleled sensory experience that linger in the memory of those fontaines enough to partake in it. In conclusion, high-end gaming in luxury casinos worldwide is a symphony of opulence, technology, and exclusivity. From the glittering lights of Macau to the iconic strip in Las Vegas, these establishments redefine entertainment by offering an immersive escape into a world where every detail is a testament to extravagance. High rollers skiing not just the thrill of the game, but an all encompassing experience finds goals in the personalized service, cutting edge technology, and culinary delights that these casinos offer. It's a world where luxury knows no bound, and the pursuit of entertainment is elevated to an art form.